Hello and welcome to Marco Insights. Meet Aparna, a banker turned creative entrepreneur, and the visionary behind Milestones, a beautiful homegrown brand from Bangalore. From finance to affirmations, Aparna's journey is all hearts, all hustle, and all impact. It all started with handwritten notes on her walls, tiny reminders of hope, faith, and self belief. But Aparna noticed something powerful. These words weren't just decorating her space, they were changing her life. That's when Milestones was born, a brand that uses positive affirmation to create meaningful home decor that heals, uplifts, and manifests joy. What I personally like about Milestones is their association with migrant women and how it empowered them with creative careers. Women who were once overlooked due to language barriers are now artists of hope, and the impact massive. Like Anjali, who placed a Miracles Happen cup planter at the entrance of parents' first home, or the woman who used milestone planters as a source of strength during stroke recovery. These are more than just products, they are daily rituals of beliefs. With Milestones, Aparna's vision is big. She aims to reach 100,000 plus homes across India, turning walls and windows into places of intention, and to grow a thriving community of 100 plus women artisans offering not just work but dignity, purpose, and financial independence. She is acing a category where conscious design meets emotional well being. The mindful living and home decor space is booming, especially post pandemic. Consumers are craving spaces that feel personal, nurturing, and purposeful, and Milestones fits perfectly at this intersection, offering not just products but emotional designs. It's decor with depth and a social mission that is impossible to ignore. To end, here's a heartful message from Aparna, a woman whose journey is as powerful as her vision. During our conversations, what struck me most was how vibrant, grounded, and quietly captivating she is.
I think my biggest learning as an entrepreneur is that alignment creates unstoppable momentum. What I mean by that is when you find work that aligns with your deepest beliefs, you create the kind of energy that conventional careers rarely tap into. So, when I transitioned from banking to creating milestones, I discovered that when your business becomes an extension of your core values, the line between work and purpose disappears. This alignment doesn't mean the path becomes easier. It means you find the strength to overcome obstacles that would have stopped you otherwise. The days I feel most fulfilled aren't necessarily the easiest ones, but the ones where I can clearly see how our work is an expression of what matters most to me.
That's it for this video. I'll meet you with another interesting small business story soon. Till then, keep supporting small businesses, buy from them, follow them, and make sure that you talk about them. Also, Milestones is running a limited period offer called Big Freebie. So go check out their products and you will fall in love with them. Go buy now. Bye bye.